Best free AI tools for beginners. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool that can understand your questions and give human-like answers. You can use it for writing, learning, coding, content creation. Right pointing backhand index. It works like chatting with a super smart assistant. Next is Canva. Perfect for beginners. With Canva AI, you can create thumbnails, design social media posts, generate images with text. For video editing, CapCut is amazing and free. It has AI features like auto captions, background removal, AI effects. If you write in English, Grammarly is a must-have. It helps you fix grammar mistakes, improve sentences, write professionally. Right pointing backhand index. Great for students and content creators. Want to create AI images? Try Leonardo AI. You can generate realistic images, create art, design thumbnails. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, comments.